Hello everyone. So we have started lesson number 16, water, a precious resource. We have seen the introduction part of the lesson, that how water is precious, how much water is available on the earth. This much part we have finished in our previous videos. Today we are going to see the activity and then we'll see the forms of water. First we'll see this activity given in your textbook on page number 195. There are three columns: steps, figure and remark. So we'll see one by one. Take a medium sized bucket and fill it up with water. It contains about 20 liters of water. In the figure they have shown a big bucket which has capacity of 20 liters. Assume that this water represents all the water present on the earth. So we have seen how much water is available on the earth, and only 1 or 2% of that water is for drinking purpose. So this activity is related to that. Now see, take a teaspoon of about 5 ml capacity and transfer 100 spoons of water from the bucket to a small container like a bath mug. You can see the picture of mug. This represents total fresh water on earth. From the bath mug, transfer 30 spoons of water to a glass tumbler. This gives a measure of usable water present as groundwater. Finally, take out a quarter, 1/4 spoonful of water from the mug. It represents all the water present in all the lakes and rivers of the world. The water left in the bucket represents the saline water present in the seas, which we can't drink, which is salty in taste, oceans, and partly as groundwater. This water is not fit for human use. So this is not useful for drinking purpose, so we can't use that. The water left in the bath mug represents the water which is present in the frozen form in the glaciers, ice caps and permanent snow. Again, not available readily. So only a spoonful of water we can use for drinking purpose. So this only tell us that we need to save water, nothing else. So our earth has more water, but from only 1 to 2% water we can use as fresh water. Now we'll see forms of water. Different forms of water. You can see here solid, liquid and gas is given there. Water exists in nature in three states, that is solid in the ice form, liquid as a liquid form and gas as a vapor form. So these are the three states of water. Vapor we can get by heating and ice cubes we get from by cooling the water. So these are the three states of water. Now see in the picture, see in the textbook. Are you afraid that continuous use will someday exhaust all the water available for use? You know that water on the earth has been maintained for millions of years by various processes which make the water cycle. You have studied the water cycle in class 6. Write in your own words that what you know about the water cycle. Now you know water cycle. What is water cycle? See the picture here. This is the picture of water cycle. So water cycle maintains the balance level of water on the earth. Now here you can see three forms of water also. Water vapors. Then after condensation it forms drops of rain, liquid form, or ice as a snow form. So this cycle goes on. Water present in the lakes, ponds, sea, river, in the presence of sunlight they form water vapors. That water vapors then make clouds, and that clouds collect all the water And as we have seen, when we heat water, the water vapors forms there. When you try to cool that water vapors, that again convert into water as a water droplet. So here the same process occurs. Water vapors are converted into in the clouds. They again, after cooling, fall down as a rain, and this rainwater is again preserved in the ocean, seas, lakes, ponds, etc. So this water cycle goes on, and because of this water cycle, the water available on the earth is maintained at the level. You know that when water circulates through the water cycle, it can be found in all the three forms that we have studied: solid, liquid, and gas. The solid form, snow and ice, is present in the ice caps and at the poles of the earth. Snow covered mountains and glaciers. तिकडे सगळीकडे बर्फ असतो. Liquid is present in oceans, lakes, rivers, and even underground water. The gaseous form is water vapor present in the air around us. The continuous cycling of water among its three forms keeps the total amount of water on the earth constant even when the whole world is using it. Does it give you any relief? Can you recall the process involved in water cycle? Now, today you need to understand what are the different forms of water and what is water cycle, and because of the water cycle, the water level on the earth is maintained or balanced. ते कधी संपत नाही. So this process goes on. Okay. So for today, you just remember these three forms of water and water cycle picture. In the next, we'll see the different steps in the water cycle. For today, we'll stop here. Thank you.